Welcome to Deco Bloom. Ever wondered how Parisians create such effortlessly elegant homes in compact spaces? Today we're touring an exquisite small apartment that captures timeless Parisian flair through every beautifully designed room. From the dramatic entryway to the serene bedroom sanctuary, you'll discover how to bring French sophistication into your own home. Let's step inside and explore stunning spaces together. Step into refined elegance with this Parisian entryway that sets the tone for your entire apartment. The classic herringbone oak flooring leads you to a stunning curved-leg marble console, crowned by an ornate gilded mirror that captures and reflects light beautifully. Above, a delicate crystal chandelier adds sparkle and sophistication. This entrance proves that even the smallest foyer can make a grand statement when you combine timeless French elements with careful attention to detail and luxurious materials. This living room embodies the Parisian art of mixing old and new with effortless grace. A vintage Louis XV Bergeret chair sits beautifully alongside a sleek marble coffee table, creating visual interest through contrast. The space celebrates both history and modernity, showing that you don't need to choose one design era. By blending antique pieces with contemporary furnishings, you create a collected over time aesthetic that feels authentic, sophisticated, and uniquely yours rather than catalog perfect. Transform your small kitchen into a Parisian gem with cream cabinetry and charming blue and white pattern tiles. Open shelving displays vintage French pottery, turning everyday items into decorative elements. Brass fixtures add warmth and character, developing a natural patina over time. This kitchen proves that compact doesn't mean compromising on style. Every detail, from the marble countertops to the carefully curated display, works together to create a functional yet beautiful culinary space with timeless appeal. Create your personal retreat with a serene Parisian bedroom that prioritizes comfort and elegance equally. A tall upholstered linen headboard anchors crisp white bedding layered with soft, textured throws. Vintage bedside lamps provide intimate lighting, while a small crystal chandelier adds unexpected glamour overhead. The neutral palette of ivory and cream creates a calming atmosphere perfect for rest. This bedroom shows how simplicity and quality materials combine to create a luxurious sanctuary without overwhelming a small space. Step into spa-like luxury with this Parisian bathroom that celebrates natural materials and refined simplicity. Honed marble surfaces provide subtle elegance, while unlacquered brass fixtures develop character and patina over time. The suspended toilet and frameless glass shower maintain clean lines and visual openness. Layered lighting creates a warm, ambient glow that transforms your daily routine into a luxurious ritual. This bathroom proves that minimalism doesn't mean cold or sterile when you choose warm materials thoughtfully. Bring the romance of a Parisian cafe into your home with this intimate dining nook. A small round bistro table paired with classic caneback chairs creates the perfect setting for morning coffee or candlelit dinners. Layer in linen tablecloths, crystal glassware, and tapered candles to elevate everyday meals into special occasions. This space demonstrates how you can create a dedicated dining area even in the smallest apartment by choosing furniture scaled appropriately and adding thoughtful details. Make an immediate impact with this dramatic entryway featuring bold black and white checkerboard marble tiles. The geometric pattern draws the eye and defines the space with confidence and style. A sleek oak storage console provides practical organization, while a sculptural light fixture adds contemporary artistic flair. This entrance shows that even a small foyer can pack visual punch when you're not afraid to use bold patterns and strong contrasts to create memorable first impressions. Celebrate authentic Haussmannian architecture in this elegant living room where the ceiling becomes the star. Ornate plasterwork, decorative ceiling roses, and intricate moldings showcase the craftsmanship of classic Parisian apartments. Painted timber wall paneling adds depth and sophistication throughout. These architectural details create inherent elegance that requires minimal additional decoration. This space reminds us that in true Parisian style, beautiful bones and architectural heritage provide the perfect foundation for understated, timeless interiors that never go out of fashion. Carve out an inspiring workspace with this charming Parisian home office corner that proves you don't need a separate room to be productive. A vintage curved leg desk with distressed finish brings character and history, while a comfortable upholstered chair ensures long working hours remain pleasant. A pleated shade lamp provides focused task lighting, and a framed Eiffel Tower print adds Parisian atmosphere. This corner demonstrates how thoughtfully chosen furniture can transform any alcove into a functional office. Embrace the beauty of everyday objects with this Parisian kitchen that prioritizes display and natural materials. Reclaimed wood shelves with weathered surfaces celebrate imperfection and history, showcasing vintage canisters and beautiful ceramics. This approach transforms functional storage into decorative elements, encouraging you to choose items worthy of display. The kitchen proves that open shelving works beautifully when you curate thoughtfully and embrace the lived-in aesthetic that defines authentic Parisian style, where practicality meets beauty effortlessly. Add contemporary edge to classic Parisian style with this modern bathroom featuring industrial-inspired black steel-framed glass shower doors. White subway tiles provide timeless foundation, while sage green ceramic accent walls introduce sophisticated color. The geometric floor tiles add pattern and visual interest underfoot. This bathroom shows how you can honor traditional elements while incorporating modern materials and finishes, creating a space that feels fresh and current yet rooted in classic French design sensibility and enduring appeal. Transform your bedroom into a nature-inspired sanctuary with dramatic botanical wallpaper serving as an artistic headboard. Lush, green foliage and delicate flowers create visual impact without requiring physical furniture. Custom built-in storage framing the bed maximizes functionality in a small space while maintaining clean lines. Layered neutral bedding in cream and taupe keeps the focus on the stunning wallpaper. This bedroom demonstrates how one bold, decorative choice can define an entire room with personality and style. Celebrate natural light in this luminous Parisian living room where characteristic tall French windows take center stage. Reaching nearly to the ceiling, these architectural features flood the space with daylight that dances across herringbone floors. Flowing linen curtains soften the windows without blocking precious light. This room embodies the Parisian appreciation for natural illumination and architectural heritage. It shows how working with your apartment's existing features, rather than against them, creates the most authentic and beautiful spaces that honor French design. Maximize vertical space with this practical Parisian entryway featuring floor-to-ceiling custom storage that conceals clutter beautifully. Painted white cabinetry with brass pulls maintains an elegant appearance while hiding everyday necessities like routers and keys. A floating console shelf provides a landing spot for mail and accessories. This entrance proves that organization and beauty aren't mutually exclusive. With thoughtful custom solutions, even the most functional spaces can maintain the refined aesthetic that defines Parisian apartments, where every inch works hard. Let lighting become sculpture in this intimate dining area, where an oversized pendant fixture commands attention as the room's focal point. Whether a large paper lantern or a dramatic contemporary design, the statement light defines the space and creates ambience. Paired with a simple marble top table and elegant chairs, the lighting does the decorative heavy lifting. This space shows that sometimes one bold element is all you need to create impact and atmosphere in a small dining area. Create a glamorous ritual space with this feminine Parisian vanity corner that makes getting ready feel luxurious. An antique dressing table with distressed finish provides vintage charm, while an ornate gilt-framed mirror adds drama and sparkle. Glass perfume bottles and beauty essentials become part of the decor when displayed thoughtfully. Soft pastel accents in blush and lavender bring romantic warmth. This corner demonstrates how dedicating space to personal care elevates daily routines into cherished moments of self-care. Add visual depth and sophistication with this Parisian kitchen that plays with contrasting wood tones beautifully. Dark mahogany upper cabinets create richness overhead, while creamy beige lower units keep the space feeling grounded yet airy. Varied tone marble countertops with dramatic veining tie the contrasts together harmoniously. Brass hardware adds warmth throughout. This kitchen proves that working with multiple wood tones creates dynamic interest and prevents the monotony of matching everything, resulting in a collected, sophisticated look with personality. Cultivate tranquility with this plant-filled Parisian reading nook that brings nature indoors beautifully. Vintage rattan furniture adds organic texture, while contemporary photography in slim frames creates a curated gallery wall. Layered rugs define the space and add softness underfoot. Lush greenery in ceramic planters purifies air and adds life to the corner. This nook shows how combining natural materials, beloved plants, and meaningful art creates a personal retreat within your living room for quiet reading and reflection. These spaces prove that you don't need square footage to achieve Parisian elegance, just thoughtful design choices and quality over quantity. From herringbone floors to crystal chandeliers, marble surfaces to vintage treasures, each element works together to create that coveted French aesthetic. If you found inspiration in today's tour, please give this video a like, subscribe to DecoBloom for more design inspiration, and share your favorite room in the comments below. Until next time,